Hey guys, how do you enable VPN on Opera? Okay, now when you open Opera, this Opera, you click on this free. I think there are four. They're actually free dashes. They're on top right. You scroll down, go to VPN, enable in settings. So you click on enable in settings. When you click on enable in settings, you're going to scroll. You're going to click on this. By default, it's off. So you just have to click on so it will be activated. So when it's activated, you realize actually here on the top, on your top where your URL, on the top left, there will be VPN. If it's off, let me first put it off. If it's off, this thing is off, okay? On your top left. When you activate it on, this thing goes on. So that's how you activate a VPN. And if you want to change the country, you click on that top left, that VPN, then you can actually click here. Then you can change the country, Europe, Asia, Americas, and all that stuff. So you can always actually disable it from here. Let me first close this. If you're on a browser, you can just click on here. You can put it off. If it's gray, it's off. You can just put it on. There, if it says it's protected, you're protected. If you click on and says unprotected, it means unprotected. So that's how you actually can use inbuilt VPN in Opera. Okay. So once you activate it here, you can control it from here. So let me just actually put it off. Thank you for watching my video. You can leave me a like. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're interested in simple videos like this. Okay. See you again.